Okay, I'm going to tell you the angels in charge of it and how to pray and when to pray for it. Okay, so you have the most effective prayer answered. um it's not that other days it cannot be answered, or it's not that other days it cannot, but then there are so many things that hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are listening from. Yeah, to my wonderful friends, I want to use this medium to say thank you, thank you, thank you so much. You guys are so super wonderful. Like, I'm so excited. Friends I have friends and family here on YouTube. God bless you all for me. To Francie Natural Home, you're just a darling, you're a friend. Thank you so much for your love, your care. God bless you. To my wonderful friends, my wonderful supporters, those that have been trying to reach out to me to check me out. Honestly, this season, but I thank God for everything. I thank God. Yeah, the devil is always the loser. By God's grace, we are victorious in always everything we're doing. So God bless you all for checking out on me, and then thank God on my behalf. The storm is over. Okay, so by God's grace, you're back again on our feet. This time around, stronger. Stronger. So our journey through Bible, through the Psalms, through the book of Psalms, we we started this about last week. By now, we should be around Psalm 10 or thereabout. I'm going to tell you the angels in charge of it and how to pray and when to pray for it, okay? So you have the most effective prayer answered. Um, it's not that other days it cannot be answered, or it's not that other days it cannot, but then there are so many things that you doing this. Don't mind my hair. I love being natural. Okay, so today you are going to talk about Psalm 4, and this psalm is to be said for God's favor. Okay, yeah, when you want favor from God, it's not that if you do every other thing, it's not going to work for you, but it is mainly what it is used for. Okay, yeah, and the name of the God in charge is Jehovah ESELA. Okay, for right spelling and everything, you're going to see it there on the description box. Okay, it's going to be said 7 good times during your devotion. If it's morning devotion or night devotion, you have to say this, you have to read it, the Psalm 4 7 times. Okay, yeah, hear me when I call, O Lord of my righteousness. Thou hast enlarged me when I was in distress. Have mercy upon me and hear my prayers. This psalm has about 8 verses, from verse number 1 to verse number 8. Okay, yeah, it's going. You can, if in case you've not been joining us, maybe today is your first day of seeing this challenge. We started last week with some people joined with fasting, some are doing white fasting that you just need to take just water. But in case you want to know more about it, please, you have to refer to our day one prayer. Okay, yeah, and that day one we talked about how it's going to be done, the days, and everything we needed for it. Okay, yeah, that is what I want us to talk about. Okay, so I will, sorry, I'm not going to do anything. So if you want to join us, you can still join us because it's still fresh. We have 150 chapters in Psalms alone. So definitely I'm going to go for 150 prayers with different names, different angels, and all the rest of it. And be rest assured that at the end of it, you have your faith to build upon, and you have so many things to learn. You have so many, like, if you want to make use of Psalms for anything, please, there are so many ways to do it. Okay, and that's why I want to pass it to us, so that even if you don't do it now, you can as well do it later. Maybe there is no need for you to do it now, but please, you can have this like later, if not now. If you're a woman, please, if you can't get it now, you can use something and write it down, because there are so many things to learn. I promise you, you're not going to regret it. For once, you're not going to regret learning or joining this challenge. Okay, so thank you so much for watching us. Thank you for believing in us. Please remember, I said 7 times you're going to read it, and there is a prayer attached to it. In case you just come across this video, you can check the description box. I'm going to write it how it's going to be in the description box. I'm not going to skip any. No, no, no. For all I've said, even the prayers attached to it, I'm going to write it down there. So you have to check it down on the description box. And then if you want to know how to use it, please refer to um, the first video I made concerning the Psalms. Very much important, okay? Yeah, thank you for watching us till this point. I remain your girl, Grace. Yeah, by God's grace, we are here to give you nothing but the best, okay? Thank you and God bless you. I love you all. I do.